Ngai mwega wembotangiri waita mwamukiri magongo na mandwairo Ngai uri mbere tutingihotwo ni thu
Katia Usiru na mwira Nani ni mwira we Iwe mirore kinya niwe thugumeire Uratugogoka ita ukahura ngirathi ukagwira metha gutiru na mwira we chokia kimindo atie na thina tha ici kaidania muhiko waku kaida munya kaya ke gwathie no ni ndiri muini utari ho Duta stairo cia kwa ciothe ndo ya namba duta stairo cia kwa ciothe tondu wewe mundu bure kabisa unakuja na muhiki alafu unakunywa unalewa chakari na ni muhiki anakaa tu venye wanaume wanapendanga matiri ya mutongoi ndio hiyo imekuja naye alafu unakunywa kama kubafu unalewa unalala kwa meza na mimi niko hivyo tu peke yangu Emuru twaririka na hali aliri hali roisa buri na githe hati ale handu hau twathiaga hau hali roisa buini roisa buini hau hindi mwe sandiri twarikia mawira ri tugithia hau gukihuruka tuhurukite hau ri tukiona mundu oka agiuka na ngari ngari ile ciari nene hindi ciari Pajero nicio ciari nene na agiuka na Pajero na okite na mundu wake Gwiciria agitigira muno no ura guikaire ri agitigira muno angiona acukana mundu guhota kurehe kashiva thiru kuona na thimu cia koretwo cioka riu ri cia mobile riu tuikarite oro hau ithuĩ tukiria nyama tondu akimenya handu ure hari na nyama njega ri rikiru mathaa ma Sunday thaa mugwanja ri riu etagia kiria arenda makahavira fani ngari-ini eating with the babe and drinking with the babe in the car and unfortunately, we had one celebrity, a secular celebrity, who was around with us, and it was not me because I've never been one. So, he's a musician. So, you see, when you take two, you have to go and relieve yourself. So the man decided to go and relieve. And they left the babe in the car. And the windows were down. And the celebrity woke up. And when he came back before the man came, he had the number. You thought he was the wise man. He had the number. And the following Saturday, because there was another place that is known as Choma Zone on Thika Road. It was me, the celebrity, and the owner of the number. That's when I decided to say, Satan is circumcised. Ule birthday birthday ndago gutira gitugia nayo agigo gutwita amenya riu arikia gututiritia twire yuma birthday yake maundu ma mangena mo riu yo ni panganga twira ni birthday yake aru matinda mageri horo wa birthday ciao omuraga ni kwenda tuonane hwaini waumira njariria ukagura matero ya 8,000 ukaigira arume hau tukamenywo tukenete igathira ukagura engi na nyama itarathira and they go home smelling like a man and you see you can hide us at a leaf even if it's a banana leaf and we have merry we make it merry and then after that you tell us, oh man, it was my birthday, and we tell you many tidings, many more years to come, be to the rest. And they spend you a 50,000 on us. Exactly. You spend like a fortune. Then tomorrow when we meet, we say you spend like somebody who doesn't have brains. No, we say that you are COVID thief. Who can buy beer worth 50,000 just because it is birthday? It's your birthday. You are COVID thief. Happy birthday. Mr. Rafa anakiuga akinye miaka igana. No ni akinyetie miaka ile ya kwirira. Waje kati ya Ngai waje ko akuja aciarirwo ndiki. Otiri ondu no mwe wenda na wiriragiria. Ohingite tigo kuhikania.
no thina.
Iko ni bara.
Bara adeli.
Iko ni wazon. Mambo inakuwa mzuri. So that's when you decide and say Satan was
circumcised.
And when you see
he went to the river very early in the morning.
Yes, and many guys have been thinking that you have a nice girl.
And you are the only one who can talk to her.
And you take her to a club thinking that you are just a young man with a young girl.
Yeah.
You find experienced old men.
Yes.
Yes.
Who will take her number.
And we will talk to her using proverbs.
You call her babe, but they call her Maito.
I call her with a very respectable name.
Maito. You take her, you buy her pizza. She goes with the old man. She eats boiled chicken.
Boiled chicken.
With very hard.
With the spinach. And she goes for orientation.
Yes.
She will never come back.
She'll never come back to you again.
Yes. And she'll be asking you. You call her babe, and she tells you, I'm a Maito.
Yes.
Very comfortable.
Just because you thought you are close to her age.
Yes, just because, you know.
You thought you are close to her age. Man, the old men outside there.
The old men are not stingy. They don't think about how they spend. You think about how you spend.
And why you should spend on her.
And why you should spend. They will spend a fortune.
Yes.
On your girl.
Yes. And they will take her to Kinagop. And because they are doing farming there. You
will start complaining that she was dancing with your wife or your babe. And he will tell you, slow down, young man. Slow down. I've not done anything.
Yes.
But in the heart he's saying, I will do something.
I just danced with your girl. And then that is it. Why are you making noise?
She was fun. Dancing with.
Ikedia gatoroka ngo makala muguda kono muthe acaritagia mburi na ng'ombe
ona ndike hakiri hindi anegedete biu
Kamaru
Rendi anegedete na Kamaru by the way kairi twigaga ationire bara
we ndari
na maundu
ndari no ndo abangite
agikarora akionaga kanika igego riake handu atware thukuru agatwaria makone mugunda moizo ri ihe ni cio ziga uria ni Kamaru agacokia thukuru Goire. No eciro azimezire ke tutie kwaria githuku. Ate toto utawira ready ni cia gikuyu. Oh, we can talk about a lot of it. Talk a lot of it. Kutha mekwagira gukira mambere mekwagira okwagira na moya muhano wa hindi mwe Jesu athiete uhiki kuria kana ya Galili na mari na nyina na gathuri kau kene uhiki ucio nikarugite nikahagirite kiruru ndirukuona no nikahagirite riu na uthi na umundu na unyama na uigo wacio ndirukuona gakihagira na no makinywa we by the way amwe makembia kwira gathuri kau atiriri nirahagirite kanyamu kanini muno nirahagirite kanyamu ukembia kugia na kashiva ndetiguo ginya nyina wa Jesu tondu mari nake akeigura kurathie na akigwa kiru ni gikiri atia nikinyihire nigitinekire kerangire kiruru nikirangire agikora murio akimwira riu ri ona kono okiri ukureka andu amainuke matari ariu nike mami akimwe menyore ukureka andu amainuke mekongo mainuke memanga yethiguo Jesu akimuria we ndi no horo riku mutumia we nawe ndiko na maneno gani na wewe nake nyina tondu nyina wa mundu ni amuwi muno ri akira acio mari hau akimera riu ri uria kumwira mwike Jesu akimera hotiri undu ungi na hii madigitho mothe area no ikirehu igikundiko akimera makunure akimera macame moda vivo okarakinga kakutairie kwire
Mukagiga.
Murugamiriri wo hikire. Aturumariri aturumirere. Ejire muhikari yake muri ari we nawe kokora go hana atia. We ko tari wamenya njohire njega ni omundu bakurehe mbere. Mathacoka rehe banda ya ndumari yo.
Yes.
Eri we ogituragire guku. Oraturaga guku na changa. Na changa ni oraturaga
na mejegethe.
Na mejegethe ha. Njohira nunga murati no tari mukuru.
Ucoka riria andu maiguire mahunire ni kunyua icio riria uraruta njohi iria hiu iria njega
iyo manjuru magitirania na iriku ya Kristo maundu maku ni mekwagira mambo yako itakuwa sawa sawa mambo itakuwa chonjo
na mekwagira okwagira
mekwagira okwagira andi tondu ona hindi ya uhiki wa Kanani ri andu mambite kunywa njohi itari na kuri yari
yes
maundu ine mathutha makiagira reke nguire ai yari
magetigo makigoca
athari muthabibu urugitwo ni Kristo ukarugwo ni roho mwene ure cia mucio muthabibu hana atia athari ure warahuraga rwariuko
yes
joka inde kaigwa he kindu kiega kiroka
ani joy wala joka ni siesta kirira joy
siesta kirira baithe wali siko sietereire kwa jo kinywa makali iko sietereire
ngeda iso
ikomaga ikaigwa wega Rego igwa gari the foro idio kiruru mada
siokera
joka hangover joka hangover
Ike mudo aluru maganda
ile iko na goshie nini mono
Friday Saturday Sunday
yes tena unaamka unaanza kupambana na maisha yako
yes gakoro no thiko igire tu no isige ni thiko ithano
yes and it's okay
yes
it's very much okay tondu na ngaire uitwikaga rutire wira thiko ithathatu ya mugwanja akihuruka we urecia ni wira riko ngai arutite tondu wira wothe wari wakuga ati reke kugie reke kugie wicirege ni wira riko wa munogirie
tiga kuba mundu
ati ari wira ogina ndombire wika aigire reke itumbe
ono muyanira bitu
riu haha niho njugaga atiriri ngai tondu ari ona hinyari na aria matwandikite tondu no matuthikagiriria ri magwo makareka tukaruta wira thiko ithatu tondu menye wira uria munene wari wa ngai wari waku reke kugie wanyita na yo thiko ya mugwanja gikatia
akihuruka
he rested why did he do that
ni tondu ni ombira mundu akinoga muno
he was very tired
yes
no na kuko mundu rukoneta ari itheru eni tari mukirete ugo kageria ugekira mikio yothe mundu akoragwo nayo ugekira capillaries ugekira higo ugekira kindu gitagwo mahuri ugekira rwari ugo ugekira mara manene na mara manini mutura wa kiboroboro thino kuona indo ciothe ne ngai uraruta wira ucio
nginya ndwara
and he had to be very precise
na njuire
ekira kamwe
kwa wana wewe njuire zito cia motole zigala
yo yakirwe oi ndiye anajua Mungu ndiye anajua
akone ala maheto cia manioro cia mato ciothe nio ene cigana ekirire
Mungu anajua kwezi ekirite cigana anajua na ni atowe na agatumenya wega ari ni hakiri muthenyo cio tugaga no wa mugwanja ngai uri muthenyo uri akihurukire akirikia maundu mothe no we oturaga guku ururaga takaini nduri handu ngihurukirira toro waku ni ta wa mbuku nduri handu ngihuruka you cannot rest
ati ukoma mathaa meri ukahuka
yes
wakoma mathaa meri ukahinduka
urahinduka gwika atia wahinduka gwiciria itikiru kingi
ati kuria tondu muthe ni ndatinda kuria ndatinda na ndagari rucio ngaro haria ngaroka ni ngona kiria ungika ri na kiria nio na njikaga ri igituika ni ndahinduka ri ni nyenda ngahinduka ngaraniria na ngai we mwene riria ndahinduka handu ha ku waste time na gutinda ngicurania ngeuria ciuria itari na kuria iri maundu magoka mahingicanite but all in all mambo ni sawa sawa.